Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this outdoor folding camping table. It collapses nicely into this carrying bag. I'm going to unbox this here for the first time, never even tried to assemble it, and we're going to see how easy this is to put together. What we've got here is the top. It looks like it just expands out for the top piece right there. We've got the, here, you gonna hold on to those poppers for me? The legs inside this bag. There you go, hang on to that, buddy. All right, so the legs, it looks like we've got here is an expandable. Not really a lot to assemble that goes along with that. You've got these pieces here. These are gonna feed into the top of this. There's little holes in the bottom of that are gonna go right over these pegs. That's how it looks like to me. That's gonna add some stability into the whole thing. And then we've got our top, which also has little locking pieces here. It's a really pretty ingenious design. Everything is kind of kept together here so it doesn't really flow away. We're gonna go ahead and put those on there. We're gonna put one side on at a time. Looks like it's gonna clip on the outside there like that. And then we're gonna clip this other side on over here. So it holds quite a bit of weight once it's all stable on there. How much you weigh, bud?
Oh my gosh.
Here. So it holds quite a bit of weight for what it is with that metal leg design and metal top, and it should weather really well. Here, go grab our drinks. So if you're outside camping and need a little table by the fire, some place you can have some coffee or something in the morning, this should last for quite a number of years, and it collapses into a nice size bag.